Good morning, everyone. I, Tanvi Mehrotra, great representative of Grade 1, welcome you all. Time moves very slowly, but it passes very quickly. That's the best part of it. And so is our children. They are growing mentally, physically, emotionally. They've become more stronger leaders of tomorrow. They are exploring their voices, their choices in these times. I'm sure it is a tough time for you as well, and you have come out with your coping strategies, and so is our little ones. So, I would like you all to welcome to the second round of assemblies of our children. They have put in their best, as usual, and have tried to culminate their choices, their voices into special assemblies. I hope you'll have a good time watching them. Thank you so much and have a nice time.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Unnati Singh, welcome you all to the virtual class assembly of grade first C. O Bur Bu Sura the Setud Baresian Bargo Devu Sadimani Dio Pachodya. Om Bur Bu Sura the Setud Baresian Bargo Devu Sadimani Dio Pachodya. Om Bur Bu Sura the Setud Baresian Bargo Devu Sadimani Dio Pachodya. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed by thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Gandhi Jayanti is an event celebrated in India to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is celebrated annually on 2nd October and it is one of the three national holidays of India. Thank you. Through Gandhi's efforts, India finally gains its freedom on August 15, 1947. The nation mourned for him after he was assassinated on January 30, 1948. The United Nations International Day of Non-Violence is also held on October 2 to coincide with Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. This day is marked by prayer services and tributes all over India, including at Gandhi Memorial in Rajghat in New Delhi, where he was cremated. Colleges, government, and political institutions celebrated through prayer meetings and commemorative ceremonies. Mahatma Gandhi has given many quotes throughout his life. A few of them are: you must be the change you want to see in the world.
Good.
Non-violence is not a garment to be put on and off. Its seed is in the heart, and it must be an inseparable part of our being. Everything you do is not so important, but it's important that you do it. Those who say religion has nothing to do with politics shown always patience and peace. Reunite us, taught love and honesty. A real national father meet us by destiny. O Father, come again in our land, show your loyalty. People stick your poster for showing their true identity. Seems only corruption is governing. You are our Father, we have rights to complain. Oh Father, the whole world loves your way. As a festival, we celebrate your birthday. We promise to clean dirt and earth from the nation. This is your land. Come today or tomorrow, but make it certain.
Oh Father, look at us again. People forgot your lesson. Non-violence turned into violence. Again we need your resilience.
बापू भोले भाले थे, हम सबके रखवाले थे, हमें रातें दिन भर स्वयं कष्ट से सह जाते थे. हम भी अच्छा काम करेंगे, खूब पढ़ेंगे, खूब लिखेंगे, बापू जैसा काम करेंगे.
पहले राखी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, साजिश का पे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे. पर था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान रे. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande
Hello everyone, I am Anika Sharma, the class teacher of grade 1C. I hope you all like this assembly. First of all, I really want to thanks to my all dear students who have performed so well and to their parents for their immense support. By performing this assembly, these students got to know about our great leader Mahatma Gandhi and his sacrifices to make our country free. They learned the lessons given by him which will help them in their future life, like non-violence. Be the change you want to see in the world. A great quote given by Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, exactly. Even I think so that whatever change we wish to see in the world, first we should bring to us. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.